Welcome back to the Uni series. We've built our basic chat app in Alpha, given it persistent memory in Bravo, and introduced our first deterministic layer with the regex engine in Charlie. Today we're making another massive leap forward with phase delta, intent management and function protocol system, structured action. This is where Uni learns to map language directly to executable functions, enabling far more sophisticated and reliable interaction. Phase delta is all about bringing structure and predictability to Uni's actions. Our core goal is to explicitly define what a user intends to do and then execute a specific, pre-programmed function based on that intent. Here's what we're adding: a full intent management system. Uni will now dynamically identify and track user intentions. Function protocols. Each identified intent will be mapped to a specific, executable function. The again command, a natural language way to repeat the last action, showcasing our new contextual memory. Rich metadata and text, storing more context about actions and making technical content look great. Let's break down the core technical additions for phase delta. Our database architecture is getting a significant upgrade to support structured intent. We're introducing a brand new intents table. This table is crucial. It stores the ID, name, and protocol for each detected intent. The protocol field is key here. It's the exact string name of the Python function Uni should execute when that intent is recognized. Our messages table is also enhanced with two new fields: ID, which links each message to the intent it triggered, and MSG metadata, a JSON field where we'll store rich structured data about the message and its execution, including the specific function protocol used and even the previous answer given to ensure context for commands like again. The backend, app.py, is where the intelligence of intent management and function execution comes alive. First, our simple regex responses from phase Charlie are now proper function-based responses. Instead of just returning a hard-coded string, queries like "what time is it?" trigger a dedicated function, user requests current time. Each of these functions is designed to provide randomized response variations to make interactions feel more natural and to accept previous answer context to avoid sounding repetitive. Next, we introduce the powerful again command system. New regex patterns detect phrases like again, do it again, or run that again. When these are detected, Uni doesn't just repeat the last text, it retrieves the last intent and its protocol, or function name, from the message metadata. It then dynamically calls that function, giving a contextually varied response based on the stored execution details. This is important for natural, fluid interaction. Finally, our new advanced text formatting engine ensures that any technical content or code blocks generated by Uni are beautifully rendered, with proper syntax highlighting, bolding, and whitespace preservation, and all HTML is safely escaped. So, what can Uni do now? It's evolved into an action-oriented AI that understands your intent and executes specific functions. If you ask, "what time is it?" Component Placement Uni identifies the user request's current time intent, executes the corresponding function, and gives you the current time. If you then say again or run it again, Uni remembers the last function executed and runs it again, often providing a different, but still correct, natural language variation of the response. Every interaction now has a clear intent and a traceable function execution, moving us away from probabilistic chat towards structured action. And now, anytime Uni needs to show you code or technical information, it will be beautifully formatted and easy to read. The most profound architectural shift in phase delta is the establishment of the foundation for deterministic function protocols. This is exactly what our AIOS vision demands. The system now maps language to functions deterministically. When a user expresses a certain intent, Uni knows exactly which function to call, eliminating guesswork. Maintains execution context across interactions. The MSG metadata field allows Uni to remember what was done and how, enabling intelligent follow-up commands like again. Supports function repetition with natural language. The again command is a direct result of our intent and metadata tracking, providing a highly intuitive user experience. Tracks all intents for pattern analysis. The intents table provides a clear record of user intentions, paving the way for future analytics and system improvements. Provides rich formatting for technical content, a critical step for an operating system that will interact with and present complex information. This phase is a crucial realization of our project's goal. We are treating language as a formal protocol for interaction. We are now building a system where language isn't just for conversation, but for triggering precise, predictable actions. Phase delta marks a pivotal milestone. Uni now understands and acts on your intentions with structured precision. We've laid the groundwork for a truly programmable AIOS, capable of executing complex functions through natural language. In Phase Echo, we'll dive even deeper into linguistic understanding by integrating a full NLP syntactic parsing engine. Get ready to see Uni analyze sentence structure, extract entities, and understand possession, moving beyond simple patterns to true linguistic intelligence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you don't miss the next episode where we dive into Phase Echo, full NLP syntactic parsing engine, linguistic intelligence. See you there.